Hi everyone, in this video we're going to go over another Leetcode question, longest substring without repeating characters. Major tech companies like Google, Facebook, Microsoft, LinkedIn are asking this question while they're conducting their technical interviews. I hope you will find this video tutorial helpful for your technical interview preparation. Let's start with reading the question. Given a string, find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. Example 1, ABC, ABC, and ABC is the longest substring without repeating characters. All characters are unique and the longest length is ABC 3. Output is 3. Output is 1. B is the longest substring. And WKE is the longest substring here. If you see, there's PWKE as well, but that is a sequence. That is subsequence. All the characters are in a sequence, but to be substring, they have to be next to each other. So this is the substring. Let's get on the whiteboard and try to solve this question. Like how we do in many Spring questions, in this question we are going to use two-pointer approach again. We are putting 2 pointers here, I and J, and J is going to walk faster and I will follow. And we have a max counter that will keep track of the size of the string as we go along. So we are keeping all the characters in a hash set, and every time J stops at an index, we check if the characters in the set, then we modify according to that. So let's see how it works. Excuse me. So J and I. As long as J is within the boundaries, we check if our set contains the character. Character at J is A. So we don't have that character, so we add the character into the set and increment our J. And every time we add J into the set, we need to check our new maximum. Our current max is 0. And our max is math.max, the current max, and set that size. Set size is 1, so we make our new max 1. Continue doing the same, next iteration. We are at B, sorry. B is not in the set, so we add it into the set. Increment J. So J will scan the entire string, and I will only do when there's a swap, okay? It's the same in many string questions when we create 2 pointers. So what do we do now? B, J incremented, and our new size is 2. We have 2 unique characters, and all unique characters are in the set, right? So we continue, and now we are at C. We're adding the character into the set. Set is just to make sure we have all the unique characters. And incremented C. And our new max is the size of the set, because this has all the unique characters. Okay, this is where interesting things begin. We have A here, and we have A in the set. Then we can't implement this part. Then we need to go to do the else side. That means we have a duplicate, so we remove it from the set. And this time, after every swap, every remove, we increment I. I moved. And next iteration, J is A, S dot character out, J is A, it's not in the set, we add it again. So the idea is we moved the I in this, okay? That we will see why in a minute. So J is incremented. And our max is again 3. And we continue. So I is, for example, I and J are pointing at the same characters, if you notice. So when I say remove, I cannot say s.char at J, then that will remove this item. But to remove the duplicate item, I'm using the I pointer. This is the idea here. Okay. So B is in the set, so I remove it from the set and increment my pointer. And if you notice, max number doesn't change. Max is still the previous max we hold, our current max, and set that size. Set that size will only, set that size will only keep the unique characters that are next to each other, right? So J here, and that will continue. So we were at B, so next loop we're at B. We add B into this and increment J, and max is still 3. And C, we do the same operation for the C. Remove C, increment A, increment I, add C, and check the max. It's still the same, so our length is 3. So this set that size always gives us the maximum length of unique characters next to each other. Okay, so this is the idea. This is why we are using set. In a set, to be we can add one character at a time, and we check if the character is in it, we remove, and we use the second pointer there. If you see in the other questions, when we are swapping two characters, I in this is only moving then. And here, I is only moving when we add something to the set. We remove something from the set, sorry. So let's see this in the code. This is literally the same code. I, J, max, character set. J is within boundaries. Check if it's in the set. Increment J. Check the max, remove, and return max. Let's submit. Excuse me. So this looks like it's accepted. So this is pretty much it for this question, and I hope you found this helpful, and I hope you learned something from it. I made some sense, and I have more videos coming up. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the like button as well. Hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.